Craving a calm, refined space that feels effortlessly expensive? These quiet, luxury living room essentials bring soft textures, clean lines, and timeless details together for a truly high-end minimalist vibe. From subtle statement pieces to elegant accents that elevate the entire room, every pick is designed to make your space feel polished and serene. You'll find all the links in the description below. Turn your desk into a tiny, peaceful escape. This 3-tier indoor fountain brings the calming sound of flowing water right into your room. Lotus leaves and natural river rocks create a mini waterfall that feels fresh and soothing. The quiet built-in pump keeps water circulating, so you don't have to worry about buildup. Just fill it, plug it in, and you're ready to relax, meditate, or drift off to sleep. Lighting doesn't have to be boring. This bird-shaped wall lamp looks like a golden magpie resting gently on your wall. The sleek metal body has a polished finish that catches the light, while the acrylic shade softens the glow into a warm, cozy shine. It plugs in easily, and you can adjust the bird's direction to suit your space. Perfect for your bedside, hallway, or reading nook when you want light with personality. Your living room just found its statement piece. This rectangular concrete coffee table brings bold sculptural style with a stunning green marble look. The faux stone finish gives you that high-end feel without the fuss of real marble. It's solid and sturdy with built-in levelers that keep it stable even on uneven floors. Best part? It arrives fully assembled, so you can place it down and instantly upgrade your space. Your corner is about to steal the spotlight. This smart RGB floor lamp fills your space with vibrant color and smooth ambient glow. With millions of shades and dynamic effects, you can switch from cozy movie night to full party mode in seconds. It even syncs with your music, pulsing to the beat for an immersive vibe. Control it by app, remote, or buttons, and enjoy instant mood lighting that feels completely yours. Who said vases have to be ordinary? This twisted heart-shaped design looks like art straight out of the future. The striped surface catches the light and shifts between rich tones, giving you a different look from every angle. It's lightweight but sturdy, perfect for fresh flowers, dried stems, or simply standing on its own. Set it on your desk or shelf and let it spark conversations instantly. Love the glow of candles, but not the mess. This set of rechargeable glass pillar candles gives you that warm, flickering flame look without any smoke or fire risk. The LED light dances just like a real flame, creating a cozy vibe in seconds. You can adjust brightness, switch modes, or set a timer with the remote. Just recharge, place them anywhere, and let your space feel instantly calm and inviting. Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. These golden bird statues add a soft, modern charm to any shelf or desk. The smooth ceramic body is coated in a shiny gold finish that instantly catches your eye. Place them on a nightstand, bookshelf, or office table, and watch the space feel warmer and more put together. Simple, elegant, and full of peaceful vibes. You'll love how effortlessly they elevate your decor. Give your desk or bedside a stylish twist. This spiral LED table lamp glows with soft, warm light that's easy on the eyes. The stepless dimming lets you find the perfect brightness for reading, relaxing, or working. Its sleek, modern design makes it a statement piece as much as a lamp. Lightweight, energy efficient, and effortlessly cozy, it turns any space into a warm and inviting corner. Make any room feel brighter and more luxurious with this large gold wall mirror. The hand-applied gold foil and beveled edges give it a sophisticated, textured look that doubles as art. Its full-length design reflects light and opens up space, perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or entryways. Solid wood construction keeps it sturdy and secure, while the included French cleat makes hanging a breeze. Stylish, elegant, and instantly transformative, it elevates your decor effortlessly. Step onto comfort and style with this plush cream and beige area rug. The high-low textured pile feels soft under your feet, while adding depth and character to any room. Expertly machine woven, it's virtually non-shedding and easy to clean, perfect for busy households. Its elegant scroll pattern blends seamlessly with modern or traditional decor. Place it in your living room, bedroom, or dining area, and instantly cozy up the space. Transform your windows into a statement piece. These black and gold velvet curtains instantly elevate any room with their luxe color block design. The thick velvet blocks 70 to 80% of sunlight, keeping your space cozy while letting in just the right amount of gentle light. 8 silver grommets make sliding them open or closed effortless. Plus, they're machine washable, wrinkle resistant, and built to stay vibrant for years. Need a place to sit, store, and style all at once? This round tufted ottoman does it all. Lift the top to reveal hidden storage for blankets, pillows, or anything you want tucked away. The soft woven fabric and button top give it a cozy, stylish look, while sturdy wooden legs hold up to 250 pounds. Lightweight and easy to clean, it fits perfectly in your living room or bedroom. Sit back and relax in style with this mid-century modern accent chair. Its soft cushions and matching lumbar pillow make long reading sessions feel like a dream. The solid wood frame is sturdy and polished, holding up to 275 pounds with ease. Ergonomic armrests and backrest give you perfect support while staying comfy and stylish. Place it in your living room or bedroom for a cozy, elegant touch. Looking for a side table that's both sleek and functional? This modern round end table gives you style and storage in one. The top and bottom shelf hold lamps, books, or decor, while the drawer keeps small items tucked away. Its marbled stone surface is waterproof and scratch resistant, and the chrome frame adds sturdy, polished support. Easy to assemble and clean, it fits perfectly in any room. Add a touch of magic to any room with this delicate leaf angel statue. The resin figurine features a flowing skirt shaped like a leaf, bringing an artistic and graceful vibe to your space. Soft colors and waterproof material keep it looking beautiful for years. Place her on a desk, shelf, or in your garden for a calming, elegant touch. She's the perfect gift to share love, hope, and charm with anyone you care about. Give your living room a sleek, modern touch with this round drip coffee table. Its antique brass finish adds warmth and elegance to any decor. The lightweight aluminum frame supports up to 65 pounds, while rubber feet protect your floors from scratches. No assembly is needed, just place it and enjoy. Perfect for holding drinks, books, or decor while keeping your space stylish and functional. Light up your room with a twist, literally. This spiral LED floor lamp adds a modern, artistic vibe while giving you full control over brightness and color. Use the remote to dim the light or switch between warm, neutral, and white tones to fit any mood. A weighted base keeps it steady and safe, while memory and timer functions make it smart and convenient. Perfect for reading, relaxing, or setting the right atmosphere anywhere in your home. Bring farmhouse charm into any corner with this round tray side table. The raised rim keeps your essentials from sliding off while adding a rustic touch. Curved motif frames and a distressed wood top make it both elegant and unique. Lightweight yet sturdy, it supports up to 50 pounds and cleans up easily. Quick to assemble and handcrafted with care, it adds a one-of-a-kind style to your living room or bedroom. Turn any wall into a work of art with this striking gold mirror. 55 pebble-shaped mirror pieces create a shimmering mosaic that reflects light beautifully and adds depth to your space. The metal frame is durable, rust-resistant, and holds up to 30 pounds, while the tempered glass gives you a crystal-clear reflection. Handcrafted and polished, it brings elegance and modern flair to living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways. This isn't just a mirror, it's a statement piece that brightens your home. Add a pop of color and sparkle to your living room with this iridescent acrylic coffee table. Its rainbow-like finish shifts beautifully as light hits it from different angles, making every glance feel magical. Lightweight yet sturdy, it holds up to 30 pounds and fits perfectly in small spaces. Quick and easy to assemble in minutes, it's ready to shine in your home or balcony. Just wipe gently to keep it looking vibrant and flawless. Sit, store, and style all at once with this mid-century modern storage bench. The smooth caramel leather top feels soft, while the high-resilience foam keeps it comfy for long sitting. Lift the lid to reveal 25 gallons of storage, perfect for blankets, shoes, or pillows, with safety hinges for effortless access. A solid wood frame holds up to 660 pounds, making it strong and durable. Perfect in the entryway, bedroom, or living room, it blends function and style beautifully. Set sail on style with this modern sailboat sculpture set. Smooth resin lines and a minimalist design bring elegance to any shelf or table. The two-piece set represents exploration and courage, inspiring freedom and adventure wherever you place it. Durable and non-toxic, the pieces feel high quality while adding a calming, nautical touch to your space. Perfect for living rooms, offices, or as a thoughtful gift for anyone chasing their dreams. Bring modern elegance to any table with this abstract ceramic sculpture. Its twisting, colorful design catches the light and adds a vibrant, artistic touch to your living room, dining table, or office. Smooth ceramic with bright accents makes it a striking centerpiece that draws attention. Compact yet eye-catching, it protects surfaces while elevating your decor. Perfect as a gift or a personal accent, it adds personality and style to any space. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.